Sardinia, celebrities' favorite holiday place. John Yaman arrives in Costa without Diletta Leotta, but Cochrane and his family live in Boronia. Sardinia is at the top among the favorite destinations our vibes. This is not new, but certainly the restriction to the pandemic have increased the attendance of show business and sports personalities on the island. The Costa's Mirrolade always had the lion's share despite the fact that the nightlife is limited by the shutting down of the discos. For a few days, Sardinia Fair and fights had been in Porto Carolina dismarked at the general evidence of LB together with the children Leo and Victoria. An anchoring of the 2020 holiday when the golden couple of social media spent a month on the outline between Santa Tasca, Santiago and Porto Charitable. In total relaxations at Porto Cardis is a star of Turkish drama Can Yaman, also famous for his love story with Diletta Leotta. Even if the gossip sites ensure their relationship is over, the sports journalist was in cast among in recent days, but left before Yaman's arrival, who in their Sardinia days was attacked by fans looking for selfies. The dozens of photos posted on Instagram testified to their Can Yaman and Diletta Leotta are back together in Sardinia. Since they returned to Italy after their trip to Turkey, where Diletta also met the actress family, the situation between the two would have been drastically changed to the point that they were no longer seen together on social media. Can and Diletta have taken two different paths, each on their own, while they enjoyed their summer holiday in the company of their respective friends. And so while Leotta was relaxing Sardinia, Can Yaman started a sort-of tour for Italy, landing first in Puglia, then in Campania,